Hi guys, welcome to a new YouTube video. Today I'm in Kanchanaburi in Thailand, and yeah, we're in a new place, so a new video. It's a really nice hotel. I'll show you guys the hotel. We got the drone out and took some videos. But right now I'm going to the gym because there's a gym here in the neighborhood, like a 10-minute drive maybe. So I'm gonna take you guys with me for an upper body day, and yeah, I'll see you guys when we get to the taxi. It's a tuk-tuk. Yes. So guys, as you can see, I'm in a Thai gym right now, which is crazy because everyone is Thai here and I get a lot of weird looks, so strange to be here, but I'm glad I found a gym. I came here with the tuk-tuk, as you can see. Not really a tuk-tuk, just a motorcycle. But now I'm gonna do a full body gym session. I think for legs I'm just gonna do leg press and probably calves because I need to train my calves. I know my calves are not small, but I just never train them, you know. I haven't trained them for the last year, I think. And they're not small, but they're like soft. They're not strong. They look big, but they're not strong. And I want strong calves, so I'm gonna start training them. For the rest, I'm gonna do one exercise of every muscle except for back and chest. I'm gonna do 2 exercises, so 2 back, 2 chest, 1 shoulder, maybe 2 shoulder if I have time. The tuk-tuk comes to pick me up in 1 hour and 5 minutes, so I'm gonna fill that time. 1 set of biceps, 1 set of triceps. You're gonna see it, and I'll take you guys through the workout. Also, I just erased all the memory from my camera, so it's empty again, so I can film a lot for you guys. And yeah, let's get into the workout. Gonna start with pull-ups for the back. First, of course, warming up as always. Okay guys, now we're doing chest press. So first the back exercise and chest. Probably gonna do another 2 for neck because pull-ups for just warm up. Gonna do probably a lat exercise and a mid back exercise, but now chest, my favorite one. Not the best chest exercise, to be honest, because it stops pretty early, you know? You don't get the full stretch, but I'm gonna add another 10 kg, I think, and I'm gonna leave it with that for the last set. Maybe a third one, don't know yet. I'm gonna do some more volume because I'm gonna train not very frequently this week, these 2 weeks, because I'm in Thailand, I'm on vacation, and I'm gonna train full body so I can add some more volume. For example, for this chest press, I'm gonna do 3 working sets instead of 2 because I'm not gonna train tomorrow, day after probably also not. So I can take some more volume. Normally I would do 2 working sets, now I'm gonna do 3 working sets per exercise. Okay, so third exercise is gonna be a lat row, a machine. normally I would do on the free cable, just on the cable, not on the machine. But that's because Basic Fit in Belgium doesn't have this machine, and I really like this for my lats. I'm gonna do them one by one. So first left, then right, unilateral, because I feel like the contraction in my lats is way better when I just can focus on one side at a time. That's my first official back exercise. So one lat exercise, one mid-back exercise. And afterwards we're going to go into biceps because that's my weak point. So I'm going to do them before my shoulders and my arms and my legs. Legs at the very last because legs are a strong point.
The drugs begin to peak. A smile of joy arrives in me. But sedation.
Okay, now we're gonna do some type of upper/mid-back exercise. They don't really have a good machine. The exercise that I just did, there was also a neutral grip, but a horizontal grip, but I couldn't really feel it in my mid-back because you're coming from so low, you're almost destined to use your lats to draw the weight to you. But this exercise I do at home as well. So you take a really wide grip and you try to keep your elbows as flared as possible when you come to you. So you pull, and instead of going to your side using your lats, you're gonna go up and try to put your shoulder blades together. So like this. You know what I mean? So if you pull with a wide grip, you get this. The first thing that happens is my shoulder blades coming together, which activates my mid-back. That's the first part. And then you pull even further, which is actually not necessary. You could just do the exercise contracting your mid-back, your shoulder blades together. So that's not what I'm going to do because that's pretty difficult to use a good technique for that, and I like to use a bit more weight. So I'm just going to throw it to me. It's going to work the mid-back as well. Okay, so I'm getting in kind of a time issue right now because he already comes to pick me up in 18 minutes and I have no 4G, no connection at all, so I cannot tell him, yeah, come later. So I'm gonna speed up a little bit. So left tricep, shoulders and legs. Yes, tricep, shoulder and legs. So 3 exercises, so I'm gonna speed up.
It's just one of those days where you don't wanna wake up. Everybody sucks. You don't really know why, but you wanna justify.
Okay, so I did one set of the heavy ones for tricep. Now I'm gonna do single arm. Normally I would do the row, but I don't know, lately I just feel a single arm way more in my tricep. Again, because you're alternating, you can focus more on the muscle.
It's just one of those days. It's all about the he says, she says, fools. I think you better quit, let it slip, or you can leave it with a fat lip. It's all about the he says, she says, fools. I think you better quit talking that. So come and get it.
Thank you. You guys don't even realize how chill this is. I'm just sitting next to a guy riding a scooter. Literally, this trip costs 2 or 3 euros to bring me to the gym and back. That's insane.
Nice.
Thank you. They don't know if that gets recorded, but I just dropped my protein shake. So stupid. Fuck. Gonna pay him some extra. This dude's so chill. So I told you I dropped my protein shake and he run by one of his friends and they got a bottle of water and they fucking cleaned me. They just throw some water at me, but yeah, it's like 30 degrees here, so it's refreshing. Now we're almost at the hotel and the next thing we're gonna do is doing a boat trip, I think. Maybe that's already off the table, I don't know. I'm gonna see with my family right now what the plan is exactly. So just got back from the gym and yeah, as I showed you guys, I dropped my freaking protein shake in the taxi. So now this is insane. We have literally access from our room to the pool and I'm gonna do a little swimmy to clean myself. Look at this. So this is the room, right? And we go, and ta-da! There we got the freaking pool already. So yeah, gonna do a little swimmy, and gonna make a TikTok. You know, wouldn't it be nice, like putting the camera here and then filming me like walking and going into the pool? It looks like a nice angle, or maybe even further, so you can see that it's actually from the room. Maybe I can put the camera here, but that's maybe too far. I'm gonna see what I'll do, but yeah, little swimmy. But tomorrow I hope I can go to the gym just again, because in the evening we don't really do anything late, you know, until very late. But maybe I have to edit the video, I don't know yet. I'll see. But now, little clean, little swim. Take you guys with me in the pool. Show you some action shots of cinematic swimming. And afterwards, I'm gonna eat because I spilled half of my protein shake. We're now ready for dinner. Just had my swim and I have a small problem. My battery of my camera is 19%. Just gonna film the food for you guys, and if we do something after, I'll film it too. So I'm gonna spare my battery now and pussy. And yeah, see you guys when we get the food. Cocktail!
Yeah.
We're gonna cling. Okay guys, now it's the next day, it's Thursday, and as I said, we're going to swim with elephants. Not really swim, just be in the water with them, like until here, maybe a little bit deeper. I just hope they don't step on my foot, because then my foot is verbrijzeld, and I don't want my foot to be verbrijzeld. I still have to hit my squats. So yeah, I'll see you guys when we get to the elephants. Maya, doe maar. Hij wil ook een beetje, hè?
Hij gaat babbel geven.
Maar kijk hoe mooi. Rivier, hier in de jungle. As you can see, we just fed the elephants and now we're gonna get some new food. So probably, I think, cut some melon and the bamboo.
And bang your knife like this and cut it.
En niet op het in.
Yeah. And like this. Yeah. We put it in the car, okay? In the car? Yeah, in the car.
Maar wacht.
Good job, good job. And you cut it very low, okay? Very low. Yeah? Yeah. Very good, that one.
This one is Sayo, only one who still has his teeth.
Yeah, yeah. You see? You see it? You see the elephant dance?
Oh!
She wants to drink some milk so that she dance for you. Or if you take milk.
This is the oldest one. He's 81. And we're making food for him because he has lost his teeth, so we have to make him food. Banana with
You have to dry everything. Oh, like this. Yeah. Hey, you make it.
Daar gaan we op zitten. Kom aan, teamkasten hè. Hij moet dicht.
wow. This was insane. This is literally a once in a lifetime experience, I think. Swimming with an elephant, cleaning an elephant, and just, yeah, it was insane. And now we're gonna get lunch. Boom. And a coffee. Okay, now we're back in the taxi and we're going to the River Kwai Bridge, which is a very famous bridge that I told you already yesterday. And are we gonna do a boat tour? I think we're going to do a boat tour, and my dad wants to do the museum, but we don't want to do the museum, and also no boat tour. So we're just gonna visit the bridge unless we feel like doing a boat tour. But I'll catch you guys when we get to the bridge. Now we're at a shopping mall. Okay, so I bought a new necklace because, well, the hair is flat as fuck. Because mine broke, and it's very easy for me to hang my microphone. Why am I not doing it right now? Voila. You know, it's very easy to hang it like this and talk to you guys. And just, it's a nice necklace. I don't know which color it is because I'm colorblind, but my sister said it's nice. And I think it's brown. We're gonna... we're at the bridge. River Kwai Bridge. Ta-da! So I'm guessing right now we're gonna cross the bridge. Seems logical. So personally, the bridge, I don't think it's very appealing to the eye. It's not beautiful or something, but it's the history behind the bridge that is very important. A lot of people died here in building the bridge, more than 100,000 people. And all that for an ugly bridge must really suck. Okay, this is rather special. I was saying the bridge is ugly, but I didn't see the inside. It's not just a crossover bridge. Of course, it was a transportation bridge for trains, which makes it a lot more interesting. I've never crossed a bridge like this. That actually makes it a lot more special. But still, from the outside, ugly as hell. The Statue of Liberty, but the Thai version. The bridge is long as hell though. It's not only the water that is crossing, because the water ends there. It goes on for another 200 meters after the water. It's underneath the bridge. On the other side there's another market. So guys, we came back from the elephants, had a shower, and now we're going to cook food for ourselves. It's only 4 p.m, but we're gonna eat at 6 and we have to cook up our own meal, and it's vegetarian. I did not fucking accept this, and I didn't have a choice because they just told me it was vegetarian. They didn't ask me if I wanted vegetarian food because they knew I would say hell nah. So I'm gonna get some protein after dinner because it's at 6 p.m. I eat a little bit, and then at 8 I can get like some chicken from the store. We're gonna cook real Thai food, so just rice with spicy sauce and vegetables, but no meat, no chicken.
Les rêves des amoureux sont comme le bon vin. Ils donnent de la joie ou bien du chagrin. Affaibli par la faim, je suis malheureux. Pas longtemps chemin, tout ce que je peux, car rien n'est gratuit dans la vie.
Cooking with the mom.
L'histoire est un plat bien
The best cook in town. Okay, we're gonna try our own creation. Yeah, this one is good. This one's gonna be spicy. Dancing. Rating your own soup.
10 out of 10.
Now I'm gonna rate it. Good soup. El Padre cooking. Okay, so now we're gonna eat the food that we just made. It was good, but it was some things were very freaking spicy. Good morning, guys. It's now the next day. Yesterday the cooking was fun. The only downside, as I already said, was that there was no meat and a lot of vegetables, and I don't really like all the vegetables, like mushrooms, and there was one other thing that I didn't like, but doesn't matter. Today we're gonna visit a dragon temple, so that's the last thing for this video, because afterwards, after the temple, we're going to a new hotel, a new place, so I'm gonna start a new video, and I'm gonna edit this one because this afternoon we have nothing planned, and I'm gonna edit this video. So we're now gonna take the tuk-tuk for like 25 minutes driving to the dragon temple, and I'll catch you guys at the temple. Okay guys, we're at the temple, but this is not the temple. This is still not the temple. That's the temple. We have to walk with the stairs all the way to the top, which is gonna be crazy because it's very high. First part is just a stair and then it goes into a tunnel. A real life stairmaster. And it's also like the sun is shining for the first day and it's 32 degrees, so it's very freaking hot, so we're gonna burn a lot of calories. So this is the beginning of the stairs right there, and then it goes all the way there. It's gonna be exhausting as hell, but where the dragon is, that's where the tunnel starts. You see, there is the start of the tunnel. It's gonna be exhausting, but very good cardio. So yeah, let's get it. Because we're gonna be in a taxi a lot today because we have to get to the next hotel. So doing a bit of cardio now is very beneficial. Start of the tunnel. First part, check. We come from there downstairs. Whew. This is a random temple in the middle of the stairs. Yeah. Back on the stairs. Ja, wacht. Going on a more sketchy stair. Little break at a small temple. Wow. Yeah, that's cool. Hopefully it goes on the movie. I think that's very well. Yeah. Cool. We made it. Wow. Teken of zo, dat gaan we. Little bit sweaty. Okay, that was the kind of temple, the golden church. And now we're going back down, but we're taking a little recovery break before we go down. We made it! Now back to the hotel, a little swimmy, and then on to the next hotel. So guys, that's the end of the video. I'm right now editing this video. I'm already in Bangkok, so not the next hotel, but the hotel even after that one. So I'm 2 YouTube videos ahead of you guys. And I just finished editing this one and I'm just making the outro right now. So the next one is gonna be a crazy one as well. This one was very nice, but very long. I can see here it's right now already 33 minutes, which is insanely long, but the next one is gonna be a long one as well because it's a hotel on the water. It's also very special, you'll see it. But I hope you're having a great week and a great day, and I wish you the best, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.